welcome to my channel. It's me, Oregon Zan. Today I am going to make Brunswick Stew, one of our favorite dishes that we had on our recent trip to Georgia. There are so many different varieties of this recipe, but this is the way that we like it best. So I'm going to start by sauteing about 3/4 of a cup of onions. As you can see, I buy the pre-cut onions and freeze it, not because of laziness, but because I really hate chopping onions. So I will saute the onions in a half a stick of butter, and then when they are translucent, I will add a heaping teaspoon of garlic. And now I'll add it to my crock pot. So a lot of people make this recipe with chicken, and my husband Jim does not like chicken that much. So I like to use sausage and some pulled pork. I make sure to pat all of the grease off the sausage because it already has all that butter. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 can of diced tomatoes with the juice, 1 can of white beans, 1 can of corn, about 1.5 cups of pulled pork, about 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of a spice rub, 32 ounces of chicken broth, one small can of lima beans, 1 tablespoon of a vinegar-based hot sauce, 1 can of tomato sauce. And then I didn't show it, but I added about a tablespoon of vinegar and a small can of tomato paste. And I will list all the ingredients in the description below. And at this point, I put the lid on and I let it cook in the slow cooker for 4 hours, and it came out delicious. My family loved it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Brunswick stew. It is such a delicious recipe, and I hope you will try it. Thanks so much for watching, for clicking on my video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Until next time, bye for now, friends.